The USA is home to some breathtaking national parks that need to be explored. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the 20 best USA national parks. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. So firstly, we have Redwood National Park. Known for its giant ancient trees, Redwood National Park is a fascinating place to explore. Located in Northern California, you can drive here from San Francisco and Portland, making it the ideal weekend trip from both cities. The park offers plenty of walking trails for all types of visitors and is a must visit in the USA. Next we have Zion National Park. Explore the wonders of the Zion National Park, admiring the sandstone cliffs and narrow canyons. Fly into nearby Vegas or Salt Lake City, rent a car and explore at your own leisure. Perhaps consider spending a night at one of the lodges in the park. Make sure to drive along the Zion Canyon Scenic Drive and hike one of the popular trails. Known as the driest, hottest and lowest national park in the US, Death Valley can be often overlooked. There are plenty of places to stay in Death Valley, making a self-drive option the preferred choice, although tours are available from Vegas as well. This is a unique park and you must visit, but make sure to avoid the summer and arrive early to enjoy the stunning sunrises and dramatic backdrops. Visit some of the world's largest trees at the SEQUOIA National Park. This park is enchanting and impressive with its gigantic trees and deep canyons. Head to the Crystal Caves or stay among the elevated landscapes in one of the cabins within the park. Unlike some of the other parks on this list, the best time to visit is during the summer months, when the weather is warm and reliable. The park is open all year, but some areas of the park close from September onwards and winter sees snow. Arguably the most famous national park in America, the Grand Canyon is a must-see whilst traveling the USA. Many tourists visit the canyons from Vegas, with tours available from the Las Vegas Strip to the various national parks nearby. The best time to visit the Grand Canyon is from March to May or September to November. This is when the temperatures are cool whilst the sites aren't as crowded. The summer is very busy and incredibly warm. Yellowstone National Park is a popular and beautiful place to visit in the USA, with highlights such as the Grand Prismatic Spring, a hot spring and volcano, the erupting geyser named Old Faithful, and the gorgeous Yellowstone Lake. Visit during May to October to fully experience the park. Not all the roads are open in the winter months. Next we have Mount Rushmore. So this massive structure carved into rock is an amazing sight to see. Located in South Dakota, the national park sees around 3 million tourists every year and is a popular USA destination to visit. Plan at least 2 hours to explore the park, but note that there is no overnight accommodation within the park itself. You can, however, choose to stay in Rapid City, located 35 miles away from Mount Rushmore. Visit the stunning but stark landscape of the Joshua Tree National Park, where two types of desert meet. This is a peaceful and gorgeous park, offering picture-perfect views for travel photographers. Head along the many walking trails or try rock climbing at Echo Cave. Visit the gigantic boulders on the Arch Rock Trail or walk among cacti. There are campsites in the national park too, giving you the opportunity to sleep under the zillions of stars. Just remember to never leave your car to explore without carrying a water bottle, and bear in mind that October to May is peak season, so do visit during this time but arrive early. Next we have Glacier National Park. This park is part of the world's first international peace park and celebrates the peace and friendship between the USA and Canada. With 35 glaciers and 25 active glaciers, this lesser known park looks simply stunning. Just make sure to plan at least 3 days to really explore this park. Next we have Grand Teton National Park. This national park offers gorgeous mountains and reflections in the surrounding lakes, as well as plenty of different trails to hike. Visit this national park from mid-May to late September to experience the best weather and hiking trails. At this time, all the visitor centres are also open, and park activities like fishing and kayaking are also open as well. So many people flock to Florida for the theme parks, but visiting the Everglades National Park is also a must. With alligators and birds surrounding you, the Everglades is unlike any other park you will see. Popular activities in the park include airboats, cycling, birdwatching, camping, kayaking and fishing. Visit the Everglades from December through to April to enjoy the low humidity and lack of downpours. This is Florida's dry season. Next we have White Sands National Monument. So this national park can be found in New Mexico and has varied open times throughout the year. This is an incredibly unique park and absolutely stunning, so plan to spend at least 2 to 3 hours in the National Monument if you wish to drive through, play in the sand a bit and visit the visitor centre. The Acadia National Park, known for its dark sky, Cadillac Mountain and sandy beach. Visit here if you love to stargaze and hike through stunning, untouched nature. Visit the park in late spring and fall for pleasant weather, or head here in September to avoid the crowds. Next we have Yosemite National Park. This is a beautiful park and one of the best national parks in the USA. Visit Tunnel View for an easy, accessible, panoramic viewpoint, then head down the road to Bridal Veil Fall. Head to the Yosemite Falls, the tallest waterfall in North America, but also get great views from Cook's Meadow. Home to the largest collection of hoodoos or tall columns of rock on Earth, Bryce Canyon National Park is a unique place to visit. The national park is in Utah, about a 4-hour drive from Salt Lake City and Las Vegas, or just under 2 hours away from Springdale. Combine your road trip with a Zion National Park trip for a fun journey around these gorgeous parks in the region. Summer from June to September offers warm weather, however book hotels and rental cars in advance because this is probably the most crowded time of the year. May and October are shoulder seasons with pleasant temperatures during the day and cooler temperatures during the evening. Photographers will love Bryce Canyon during the winter when the park is covered with snow and there are very few people around. Next we have Arches National Park. Located in eastern Utah, the Arches National Park is incredible. Covering 77,000 acres, this park is full of oddly shaped sandstone monuments and formations, offering excellent views for all travellers. Learn more about the park at the visitor centre and make sure to bring your camera to this stunning park. Next we have the Rocky Mountain National Park. Not far from Denver, Colorado, the Rockies make for the perfect day trip from the city. Offering magnificent landscape views, this national park has more than 300 miles of scenic trails and over 118 peaks. A popular and perhaps the most stunning trail is the Emerald Lake Trail, a 4-mile round trip with spectacular views. Then we have the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Straddling the border between North Carolina and Tennessee, the Great Smoky Mountains National Trail offers lush forests and beautiful wildflowers that bloom all year round. Hiking trails take you along streams, rivers and waterfalls, but make sure to head to the observation tower for breathtaking scenic views of the mist-covered mountains. Then we have North Cascades National Park. Located in Washington, the North Cascades National Park is a vast wilderness full of mountains, glaciers, and lakes. Make sure to head to Ross Lake and take the Thunder Creek Trail. Expect jaw-dropping landscapes and an abundance of wildlife to observe in this unique national park. Next we have Saguaro National Park. The park is named after the large saguaro cactus native to this environment, making this park a standout national park and a must to visit. Watch this video for the 20 best things to see and do in the USA. Then, to learn how to visit the USA on a budget, watch this video. We hope you have an amazing time at the national parks. Let us know in the comments below which one you are heading to next. Have a great time and stay creative.